Hello everyone, this is not the video I usually make. In this video I'm gonna do some soldering. My lab is kinda messy right now. I'll clean it. It's power supply, some LED supplies, the fume extractor, some projects, the peltier, lamp, soldering iron. Yeah, I have a phone stand. I'm gonna be soldering 3 simple circuits with the strip boards, the switches and LEDs. It's gonna be very basic. First I'm gonna put the LEDs in place for every circuit. I'm gonna find the positive and the negative leg. Okay, the positive is the top one. Yeah, positive is the top one. I have this to hold them later, so I can hold them maybe later. Now I have another one. For each and one of them, the bigger leg, the positive, is above, and we have these resistors. I need 3. This is not supposed to be a workable circuit. It will work, but it's not made to be operated, which is why I'm choosing these 220 ohm resistor. Normally I would put 1k resistors. I usually use those for everything. I have this circuit right here, just 1k resistors. Everything is 1k. 1k. Yeah. So I'm gonna solder those to the resistors, and I'm gonna check these with a multimeter. So this multimeter is not the best, but these two should beep. Wait, it doesn't. I'm gonna have to get it beeps. So now I'm gonna be seeing which legs are connected. So these legs are connected, these legs are not. And if I flip it over, now are they connected when I press the switch? Oh, I bended it. How should I, like this. So these are, but these in diagonal, they only get connected when I press the switch. Okay, so when I press the switch, they're all the same switches, got them from the same place, so they're all the same thing. When I press this switch, these two on the diagonal become conductive, electrically conductive. Okay, so I'm gonna solder the first one, the blue one, because the blue LED was invented last, and I don't want to leave it last. So just as an idea, I'm gonna put them out. I have a button here. Okay, wait. Doesn't fit perfectly, I have to put it in. Just to force it in. Good. Oh good, it fits. Fits well. And one of those I'm gonna run diagonal resistor, and one of those I'm just gonna run straight through. No, like the other diagonal. Wait, the other diagonal. My voice is cracking. I have the little trash, and my soldering iron heated up. First I'm gonna turn on my fume extractor. Very sketchy setup right here. I can connect it to DC, but when I connect it to the DC 12 volts, it makes way too much sound. When I put it at 5 volts, you barely hear it. So now we go to town. Just go solder. So the final picture is gonna be the thumbnail. I'm making the thumbnail right now. I'm gonna have these. I have to take this out. And then there's gonna be this one connected. Because I think this one looks the coolest. Honestly, that's why. I'm gonna clean my station and stuff. Just all the little insulation from the wires that I cut. That's just like a pretty big mess. No, I reversed it. How come I reversed it twice? Didn't I know it from the first time? So this is the thumbnail. What? Okay, that was bad. I accidentally shorted it. Yep. Thanks for watching.